Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken stock for baby. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of chicken bones, like backs or necks, which are great for flavor and nutrients. Also, grab 1 large carrot, 1 celery stalk, and 1 small onion. These vegetables add a subtle sweetness and depth. Don't forget a bay leaf and a few peppercorns for a gentle aroma. Finally, have 8 cups of filtered water ready to cover everything in your pot. Now let's get cooking. Start by rinsing your chicken bones well under cold water to remove any impurities. Next, roughly chop your carrot, celery, and onion. There's no need for fine dicing here. Place all the prepared ingredients into a large stock pot. Pour in your 8 cups of filtered water, ensuring everything is submerged. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium-high heat, then immediately reduce the heat to a very low simmer. The key to a rich, flavorful stock is a long, slow cook. Let your stock simmer gently for a minimum of 4 hours, or even up to 8 hours for a deeper flavor. During the first hour or two, you'll notice some foam or impurities rising to the surface. Use a spoon to carefully skim these off, keeping your stock clear. Maintain a very low, consistent simmer throughout the entire cooking process. Never let it boil vigorously, as this can make the stock cloudy. Once your stock has simmered for the desired time, remove the pot from the heat and let it cool down a bit. Next, carefully strain the stock through a fine mesh sieve or a colander lined with cheesecloth into a clean bowl. Discard all the cooked bones and vegetables, as their flavor has been fully extracted. You'll be left with a beautiful, clear liquid. Allow the stock to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. It can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, or frozen for several months.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.